Hello everyone, my name is Victor from Komplet America. Today I'm going to demonstrate to you how to use your 460 and set it up for the job site. Follow me. First thing we're going to do is go to the other side. There's a battery disconnect. You open up this door. These doors do have supports, so you need to have your door open. You can put your support there. Turn our battery disconnect on. Key in the unit. Start it. Now we'll go to our remote because we want to sync our unit. Always want to make sure the buttons are in the neutral or the down position. Your e-stop is out. You hit your start button. The light will flash fast. Hit it one more time. It'll flash slow. That's letting you know that your unit is synced. So now we want to open up the conveyors. We'll raise our RPM all the way up. Very simple. Open. Go to the other side. Open that as well. Now that you've opened your unit, you want to adjust your height. Simple. Down, up. We'll go up. Usually back side. All the way up. Depending on how far you have to go up, you can keep going up a little bit more. You also got to keep in mind though, you go too far, you're going to hit the back. I'll bring it down a little bit. And then all we have to do is turn the on button. The conveyor is operational. Now to shut off your unit, very simple. We'll hit the off button. Now before you set up your conveyor, depending on how much material you want to load in your hopper, there is provisions here for extensions, and I'll put that on for you so you can see how that looks. This is our first cover. Line them up. Slide right in. You have your second cover. Line it right in. Then we'll get the third cover. Have our third cover. You want to make sure the rubbers are up. Slide it in, and you're all good to go. So say you put your covers on, you start operating, put your material in. Now, if once you stop operating with your unit, you need to remove the covers off, because if you fold the conveyor, the covers will just slide right out. So we'll pull these out. So once we have the covers off, we're going to bring down our conveyor. This button here is always the one in the front. This one's the back. And it shows you a little illustration of it. All the way down. We'll close it. If we had our extensions, they would fall off. Right about now, they would fall off. This button here is the one with the hopper. This one is the one in the front. Once you're done folding your unit, you can track it. Right now we have it in turtle. Go forward. I'm gonna go fast. Once you're all done, you hit your E-stop in. Lower your RPM all the way down. Shut off your unit. And then you would go here and hit your battery disconnect. While we're here, if you notice on the corner we have a QR code. So if you don't have access to your user manual or your parts manual, very accessible. You can scan it with your phone. All that information is there. Each door does have a support. This way you don't have to hold it all the way up. While we're here, there's a 12-volt battery. You have your hydraulic tank right here. Behind this door, we have hydraulics. Support. Open up this door here. You'll also see the rest of the hydraulics. Something happens to your unit, you have the option to use this lever here for one of the tracks, and over here is for the other track. This unit has a Kohler engine. On the opposite side, we'll have our fuse box and our hydraulic and diesel tank. Better view of access. Right here is our fuse boxes, our diesel fill, our diesel tank, diesel sight gauge. Over here we have more hydraulic valves, hydraulic tank, and you can see your level for your hydraulic fluid. And that concludes our demonstration of how to set up your 460 on your job site. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 908-369-3340. Thank you.